unang tanong ng ating mga manonood. Saan o bakit at paano nahilig si Ella Max sa Vespa?
During pandemic. During pandemic, parang gusto mo ng i-all out.
Oo, kasi parang
Di ba? Parang,
pandemic days is parang it's a big realization sa atin na
You have to enjoy.
Hindi natin alam kung gigising pa tayo bukas, kung tayo ba mabubuhay pa or what. So I think yun yung isa sa big realizations na naramdaman namin. Sabihin mo ng anxiety ba yung tawag doon? Hindi naman, ano?
Hindi naman.
Parang ganun.
Kaya lang parang gusto mo nang
Gusto mo nang
i-enjoy
Yeah,
each day na nabubuhay ka pa. Kasi hindi mo alam kung tatamaan ka nung COVID
sakit.
that day, that time, or kung makakasurvive ka. That's why sabi ko, why not? Sige.
Okay, you fulfill your dreams. Yan. Ako naman, sa akin, on my realization sa pandemic, it's a big effect sa akin as a person. Kasi that time ng pandemic, sabi ko, kung magkakaroon man ng ganito, kunyari, may nangyari sa akin, hindi ko na ma-enjoy yung buhay. So, ang ginawa ko is, kinumpit ko yung sarili kong si Alfred Watermax. Palagi ko sinasabi, every day I wake up, I want to be a better me. I want to be a better person. I want to be a better Alfred. Better from yesterday. So every day I wake up, I always tell to myself, the best version of Alfred Watermax, gigising na naman yan kinabukasan.